Right, I'm gonna go straight in and start with, so I've loaded my brush with this, which is Leanne's Flower Fairy. And then I'm just going straight in with a rainbow. Get a bit of glitter on there while it's still nice and wet. And then I flip the brush so the green is on the outside. And then I do 3 little scallops like that. Get a bit of glitter on there, shut your eyes please. Same on the other side. This is the design that I've come up with after painting 20 billion unicorns and not being very happy with my design. I finally found one that I'm kind of happy with. So I thought I'd share it with you all because I've seen a lot of designs, a lot of unicorn designs, a lot of quite phallic unicorn designs. So for the ears, I am using a cake that I've made myself, and I like to taper inwards on the outside edge of the ear because horses' ears come in to the head rather than flat and across the head. That's another thing that annoys me in the world. So yeah. Do the same on that side. And in. Oh, look at those lovely ears! So using my Low Cornell Flora number 6 with whatever your favourite white is, and then I've put petrol in the middle of the flower. Not actual petrol because, you know, it's just not safe for the face. Yeah, so little flower on each side, then I do one in the centre. Like that. Some little extra petals up there, and then I fill in the blank space with some more petals. Oh, looking so cute. So now I'm going to do the horn. So if you use a one stroke that's got quite light colours, you can just go straight over the top and do the horn. However, if you use like Leanne's original rainbow or anything with global dark blue in, you don't want to go over the top because it will just ruin the colours that you've loaded for your horn. So 1 scallop, 2 scallop, 3 scallops.
I was thinking about the food.
Oh, scallops.
Oh, is that scallop?
Yeah.
Or wolves?
So you can just fix it up if you need to. And look, there's really not much phallic going on there, is there? No, it looks like a nice pointy horn. It's lovely, and I like to put like a line of glitter up the centre of it just to kind of try and imply that there's more of a 3D aspect going on. And there is. And then, excuse me, and then to finish it off, I load my brush with white and do some little furry bits in the ears, some little dots around here, some teardrops, and then I do some little dots here, like this, and then the same on the other side. Oh, so cute. Oh, so cute. Look at that. And then if you've got a bit of extra time, Which, when you've got a massive queue or you're doing a birthday party and every single kid and their mum wants a unicorn, you don't have. You can leave it like this, or I'll like add a couple of little stars in there. So cute. And you can line your horn. I usually think this is going to be a really good idea, and then I start lining it and mess it up. But let's see how we go. I've got some, what is this? It is liquid bling in gold. I think you've got to really have an extra steady, special glittery hand for this. But I've got a bit of a wobbly glitter hand. There we go. Oh, she's lovely. And there you go, it's the finished design. Any questions, leave them in the comments box below. And don't forget to subscribe.